Hi guys, welcome back to Mikasa DIY project. If it is your first time here, thank you for joining us. We are happy to have you. In this video, we are making a wing headboard for my bedroom. As you can see from the pictures, the old one was stressed out. We had to change it up. As usual, the measurements, tools and materials are in the description bar below. Have a look over there if you want to try to make this for yourself. I'm gonna go ahead and let you enjoy the video and I'll catch up with you at the end.
your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Okay, I am literally obsessed. I love it. I'm going to make some scatter cushions to enhance the decor. If you enjoyed this video or if you like how the headboard turned out, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.